my little logo, Hawk Smash.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
I just made the front page. You stay out my lane, man, cause I got road rage. Fresh up out the cage, I'm the jack of all trades. And you suckers can't kill me, I'm a dog. Oh, hey, put your hands on Gucci, then I'm jumping off stage. I could turn a nigga dreads to a high top fade. I make drop top, while I'm in a hard top. Right, you got the roll the windows down and start throwing out grenades. Nigga, this is how you feel when you walk up out the jail. And walk up in that back and tell them, give you 20 mil.
Back not open. It's hard to open the back from the slopes. So your latch is starting to break loose. Well, those are 3 ports. Wow. Hulk smash. Wow. Like 10s? Are those 10s? 3 10-inch ports. That's where you get all that pressure. Lets it breathe. Yeah, I was looking at it. That's pretty crazy, man. Wow. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Well, my name's Smitty. Got 6 2Ks, EM audio. Shout out to the guys out there.
Eagle?
Out there.
Yeah, Eagle. All right. Yeah.
2 16Ks.
Woo!
I got the JP I need to on my highs. And the other one, Alpha Sound on my front dudes and the 10.
Okay.
Pretty much my little logo, Hawk Smash. 6 speakers, Tahoe.
That looks good.
Oh, yeah.
And you can see the beauty of the box.
Oh, yeah.
Who built this box?
My God. Good question. You gonna know the dude's name. It was so long. I had it built 8 years ago.
Really? Okay. That's a triple stack.
Yes, sir.
And then you got 1 countersink off of the double baffle. Okay. Nice. Impressive. And these are strapped or game matched, these 2 16Ks?
Yeah. Matter of fact, they strapped, but I got the other one I ain't even hooked up. I just got it.
Really?
Yeah.
So you tell me you're gonna run 3?
I'm gonna run 2.
2? Oh, okay, I got it.
But see, you don't need a 2.5 kit line, so
Yeah.
you know, ain't no need. My thing is like, hey, if they go, they go.
They go. That's right. You got extra. Yeah. Wow. And this is boxed. What is it tuned to?
I think it's tuned to 35.
35 hertz. You got it even braced to the roof.
Oh yeah.
That's smart. Keeps it from moving.
Yeah, I tell them do what y'all do, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Yeah, on your short.
Wow. Can I get in?
Shots, I heard you paid 100. 100 back.
That was awesome. Thanks for showing me. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop